and Grapes.
Assalamu alaikum, friends! It's Ramadan, a very special month full of love, kindness, and blessings. Do you know what a blessing is? A blessing is something wonderful that makes us happy, like family, food, and even friends like you. Today, let's count our blessings together. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. The sun that shines so bright, giving us light and warmth every day. 2. Our parents who love and care for us. Thank you, Mama and Baba. 3. Yummy food for suhoor and iftar. Dates and milk. 4. Our friends who make us laugh and play. 5. The beautiful moon and stars we see at night. Look how they twinkle. Wow, so many blessings to be thankful for. And guess what? Every time we remember our blessings, our hearts grow happier and kinder. So let's keep counting and sharing our blessings. This Ramadan, what are your blessings? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Giggles and Grapes for more fun and learning. Ramadan Mubarak. Friends, bye-bye.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.